Something is deeply unsettling about this lake. At first glance, it looks calm, almost peaceful. The water sits still, surrounded by green hills and quiet villages. Nothing about it suggests danger. But beneath that calm surface lies a hidden threat so unusual, so deadly, that scientists once struggled to explain it, because this lake has already killed thousands of people in a single night, silently. This place is called Lake Nyos, a remote volcanic lake hidden in the highlands of Cameroon. For years, the people living nearby treated it like any other lake. They fished its waters. They raised animals on the surrounding land. Life moved slowly and peacefully around it. But deep beneath the lake, something strange was happening. Underground volcanic activity was releasing carbon dioxide gas. Instead of escaping into the atmosphere, the gas was dissolving into the deep layers of the lake, slowly building up pressure over time. Then in August of 1986, something triggered the unimaginable. Without warning, the lake suddenly released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide. The gas burst from the water and spread across the nearby valleys like an invisible flood. Because carbon dioxide is heavier than air, it moved close to the ground, silently replacing the oxygen people needed to breathe. Villages nearby were covered by this gas cloud during the night. Most people never even realized what was happening. By morning, the silence was terrifying. Entire families were found where they had been sleeping. Livestock lay scattered across fields. Birds had fallen from the sky. More than 1,700 people had died overnight. Thousands of animals were gone. Survivors described waking up confused, dizzy, unable to breathe. Some said they heard a strange rumble during the night. Others noticed the lake's water had changed color, but no one understood the true cause until scientists arrived to investigate. What they discovered shocked the scientific world. The lake had been storing enormous amounts of carbon dioxide in its deep waters, almost like a sealed bottle of soda under pressure. If something disturbed the lakes, a landslide, heavy rain, or even a shift in temperature, the gas could suddenly erupt from the depths. When that happens, the gas rises violently to the surface and spreads across the land. Scientists call this rare event a Limnic eruption. Today, Lake Nyos is constantly monitored. Engineers installed special pipes that slowly release the trapped gas from the deep water, reducing the pressure inside the lake. These systems help prevent another sudden release. But researchers admit something unsettling. The lake still sits above an active volcanic region. The same natural forces that created the disaster once are still present today. And that raises an uncomfortable question. If a quiet lake in a remote part of the world could hide such a deadly secret for decades, how many other lakes might be storing similar dangers beneath their surfaces? Because sometimes the most dangerous places on Earth are not the ones that look threatening, but the ones that look perfectly calm.